Uy, may message from GCash official. Nanalo daw ako 5,000. Tuloy ko daw to.
But wait, the link says GCash bonus 2026.xyz.
Bakit ang weird ng link?
What would you do? A. Click the link right away. B. Check the official app or website first.
La, nawala yung pera ko.
That's phishing. Fake messages stealing your info.
And sometimes it's farming. Fake website that's look real.
One click can steal your password, money, even identity.
Rule number 1, check the sender.
Rule number 2. Look at the link carefully.
Rule number 3, never share password or OTP kahit kanino.
So, dapat pala, sa official app lang ako nag-check.
Right now, check your privacy settings and turn on two-factor authentication.
Not everything online is true.
Think before you click. Stop.
Think!
And verify. Because one click can cost you everything.